Almost every water purifier is on sale right now, but that doesn't mean every deal is worth buying. After testing and comparing a lot of water purifiers, I have a pretty clear idea of which ones actually make sense. So I went through all the sale offers, compared the prices and overall value, and shortlisted just 5 water purifiers that I genuinely feel are worth considering. Different budgets, different needs, but only 5 picks. Hi, I am Pooja. Welcome to ClearBuy. I spend my time testing home appliances and sharing my honest, real-world experience with them, so you can make better buying decisions without all the confusion. So if you are planning to buy a water purifier in this sale, these are the 5 deals I would check first. Let's start with the most affordable one, the Aquaguard Delight Aqua Saver. Regular price 13,000, offer price just 8,200. Now what makes this special is the 2-year filter life. Most purifiers need a filter change every year. This one does not. That saves you 2,000 to 3,000 in annual maintenance right there. You get RO plus UV plus UF plus MC technology, 6.2 liter tank, and the Aqua Saver technology that reduces water wastage. Under 8,500 for an Aquaguard with 4-stage purification and 2-year filters, that's genuinely the best budget pick in this list. Now this one's interesting, the Native M2 Pro, made by Urban Company. Regular price 18,000, offer price 13,350. 8-liter tank, RO purification, preset touch dispense, and a companion app that shows you real-time TDS, filter health, and UV sterilization status. The app connectivity is actually useful here. You can see exactly when your filter needs replacing instead of guessing. Really well thought out purifier at 13,300. Even it comes with 2-year filter life. Next, in the similar budget, Aquaguard Enrich Rich Pro at 13,600. Regular price 22,000. This one goes beyond just purification. You get RO plus UV plus copper and alkaline enrichment. So the water that comes out has added copper ions and a balanced pH level. 2-year unconditional warranty. That means Aquaguard covers everything. Plus app connectivity for filter tracking. Between this and the Native, both are excellent at this price. Next, the Atomberg Interland. And yes, the same Atomberg that makes those popular BLDC fans. Regular price 18,000, offer price 13,800. They call it India's first adaptive water purifier. It automatically adjusts the purification intensity based on your input water TDS. So, if your water quality changes with the seasons, the purifier adapts on its own. 8-liter tank, 2-year unconditional warranty and filter life. RO purification, real-time TDS display right on the front, and app control. If you like smart tech and want a purifier that thinks for itself, this Atomberg is a really cool option just under 14,000. And the premium pick, the Avosmith Z9 Pro Black. Regular price 25,000. Offer price 18,990. This is the only purifier in this list that gives you both ambient and hot water directly from the tap. No need to boil separately for tea, coffee, or cooking. 10-liter tank, the biggest here. RO purification from Avosmith, which is a specialist in water technology. If you are someone who uses hot water multiple times a day for chai, for baby formula, for instant noodles, this pays for itself in convenience. Under 19,000 for a hot and ambient RO purifier from Avosmith, hard to find a better deal than this. But remember, unlike other purifiers, the maintenance cost will be on a bit higher side for this purifier. So those are the 5 purifier deals I would actually recommend from this sale. There are plenty of other models on discount, but after comparing the prices, features, maintenance, and overall value, these are the ones I feel make the most sense. I have added the latest buying links for all 5 in the description below. Since sale prices and bank offers can change, do check the final price once before you order. And if you are still confused about which purifier is right for your water quality, leave a comment below. I'll try to help you. If you find these honest, practical videos useful, consider subscribing and become part of our ClearBuy family. Thanks for watching, and until next time, don't just buy. ClearBuy. See you soon.